Let's talk about from a non-tax, but from a management standpoint, what do I think is important to a owner operator? The number of turns that your equipment is doing, and each type of equipment. It's probably, I think, the most important number that you have, the most important statistic for your store, because it tells you how you're doing, how you will be doing, what you should be doing with your equipment replacement. And if you're able to keep, and the records are very, very easy because we all collect. Either you're collecting coin or you're reading from the card reader how much you did. But if you have 35-pound front loaders that are doing 9 turns a day, and you have some 18-pounders that are doing 1.5 turns a day, it tells you need more 35-pounders. Mm-hmm. And since we're all a prisoner of the space in which we operate, we can't create more space. All you can do is get rid of equipment and add other equipment that's more valuable. And it's as you become more experienced as an owner-operator, you realize the old adage, the hip bone's connected to the leg bone, that you simply can't necessarily add the additional equipment because you may have dryer constraints as a result. Mm-hmm. So you have other ratios. So you have to strike a happy medium. But I've seen this, and the better operators I know do just what I'm saying. They'll scrap something because it's not doing the turns, and you're better off. It's a sunk cost getting rid of something that isn't generating you the revenue and replacing it with something that is. Really, really smart way to go.
Yeah, and I think that speaks to, I mean, you were mentioning earlier the best in the business. And I think this is starting to happen more and more in this industry, and at a quicker pace too, that savvy business owners are the ones who are doing the best in this industry. And thinking about business in these terms is, that's a savvy business owner move, right? Thinking about how to optimize your laundromat layout to maximize income, yes, and also to maximize the opportunities that your customers are looking for. Whether that's an opportunity to use a 35-pound machine or an 80-pound machine, or whatever the case may be, and making sure you have enough washer to dryer ratio, all those things that kind of work together. The savvy business owners are the ones who are thinking about those things and making those moves to optimize their business in those ways.
Very, very true.